In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove JPEG artifacts with median brush in Affinity Photo. JPEG compression can leave blocky patches and mosquito noise around edges, especially in skies, gradients, and fine details. The median brush is a great way to smooth those artifacts while keeping important edges intact. Start by opening your image in Affinity Photo. Once it's on screen, take a moment to look for the problem areas. Zoom in a bit so you can clearly see the blocks and speckles you want to address, but keep enough context to judge how the changes affect nearby detail. Next, select the Median Brush tool. You'll find it in the toolbar among the retouching brushes. If it's grouped, click and hold to reveal the median option. This tool replaces harsh outlier pixels with more representative tones from the neighborhood, which is why it's so effective on compression noise. Before you paint, set a small brush size and a low strength. Size should roughly match the width of the artifacts you're targeting. Use the bracket keys or the slider to dial it in. For strength, start low, around 10 to 20%, so the effect builds gradually. A softer edge helps the correction blend, so consider a lower hardness if you see harsh transitions. Now paint over the blocky or noisy JPEG areas. Work on flat regions like skies and walls first, where artifacts are most obvious. Use short, controlled strokes, and avoid scrubbing. If you're near an important edge, shrink the brush slightly and keep your stroke just inside the noisy region to prevent smearing the edge. Brush gently to smooth the artifacts. Think of it as feather-light passes rather than heavy pressure. Watch for signs of oversmoothing, like a plastic look or halos. If that happens, undo and lower the strength, or reduce the brush size to be more precise. Tablet users can let light pressure do the work. Mouse users can simply slow down and build up the effect. Repeat until the artifacts are reduced. Move around the image, adjusting size and strength as needed for different areas. Do a quick zoom out every so often to confirm the overall texture still feels natural. A few subtle passes usually beat one strong one, and stopping as soon as the distraction is gone will keep your photo looking crisp and realistic. With practice, you'll develop a feel for how much to apply, and the median brush will become your go-to fix for compressed photos and web images.